everybody. Welcome on to the call. We're going to be getting started in full force here in just a few seconds. I want to run through some of the possible technical glitches. If you're listening to just the teleconference portion, meaning if you just have your telephone on, you're going to want to go to your email, get the link on the registration page, and then download the WebEx or Citrix software. You should get a window that pops up that tells you, is it okay to run this software? And as long as it says Citrix in that window, everything should be okay. And you should be able to see the screen. If you're only watching this on the web, you can't hear me anyway, so I guess that doesn't matter. So a few housekeeping issues. I am, as we speak, having the videos converted to a Flash format. Some of you who've been onto the membership website have already seen those. So very shortly, all of the videos, the course videos that are on the web, in fact, I'm going to add a couple of more, will be in Windows Media and in Flash. If there's anybody on the call who uses a Mac, trust me, you guys are in the drastic minority, but you're a very vocal minority. So to keep the requests for Macintosh-friendly videos down, I'm going to be making sure that you can see those in Flash. If Flash doesn't work, I don't know what to tell you. Also, if you're a Macintosh user, you can download the actual course videos in full format, beautiful color and video right on the website. Some of them, if you're a Windows user, please don't try it because you might get frustrated because you don't have the right codec or the format. But Macintosh shouldn't have any problems with those. Also, as you may have read in the email, we do have some special announcements for members only. So keep watching out on your members area for some of those. We've got some exciting developments in the works. In fact, I had a very good phone call today. So I'm excited to see how everything goes. Right now, I guess there are a couple of people who are having some trouble dialing in. Please be patient, or if for some reason you can't get on, just watch the recording. I'm going to go ahead and close out the question and answer session. And just to let everybody know, the Agora and Early to Rise, due to federal regulations, do not want me taking live questions. But just to let everybody know, we will be doing a set question and answer setting in the future where you can email in questions, and then I'll deal with those during the session. For the next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing a series that I call How to Amaze Your Friends by Picking Reversals hours or even days in advance, and this is part 1. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's go ahead and introduce what I'm talking about, okay? And context is important, okay? We've got to realize what it is that we're talking about. And when I say you're able to pick reversals hours and even days in advance, it's going to take a little bit of work on your part, okay? It's not something where, it just comes automatically. There are no magic systems, and we don't have a magic wand, right? So how then do we get to the point where we can predict where the market's going to go and amaze our friends, right? Well, we have to go all the way back into the 1920s and 30s to really start discussing some of these things. And we have to look at a couple of guys. One of them, his name was Wyckoff, and one of them's name was Schabacher. Schabacher actually died fairly young, but these two guys were focused on the principles of trading. And what that means is they focused on the realities of trading, not theories. Okay,